So for today's video, I'm gonna explain how I integrate using Firebase Authentication in my project application in HoA10. So first, you need to go to the firebase.google.com. So after clicking the website, click Get Started in Console. Then after clicking it, it will hover you to the next tab. Then create a new Firebase project. Then create a project name. So it depends on your preference. So upon creating the project name, so just click continue, then you will go into this console. So let's assume that this is the app that we created earlier. Then this is we will gonna use in our Android Studio. So after creating this, let's just proceed to the authentication. Then click the sign in method, and let's assume that this provider is not existing yet. So let's just add a new provider. So it depends on your preference if you want to add Facebook as a provider, or Microsoft, or etc., or any other thing that provided in this Firebase console. So upon clicking a provider, just retain it, then go to the Android Studio. So in the Firebase console, it will provide guided step by step how to integrate this Firebase authentication in your project. So upon this guided step by step, you need to go to your Gradle module in this Gradle project, and add this in the plugin in the line 5, this code. Then go to the Gradle app, which is the module app. Then add this plugin, this ID .com.google.gms.google.services. Then on the dependency, just add this line of codes in line 57 to line 59. Just add this. Then after adding, just click sync in now to build this added dependencies and plugins. So after the sync in, you need to update your main activity, or I updated my main activity, which is I added this line of code in line 21, and in this line 16. So this code will initialize and make instance for Firebase authentication to the instances to render the login or your registered account. So upon adding this code, go to the login activity and update some line of codes. For example, I added this from the main activity, as you can see earlier. Then I added this logic for the Firebase authentication to add or register the login account that you registered in your app. So on and so forth. This code is existing codes from my previous application without the Firebase authentication yet. So same with the registered activity, just do the same that you did in login activity. Just change some ID if it's necessary to change. So as you can see, I just added this and this, and so on and so forth. So that's for the adding your Firebase authentication. So now let's check and open the application to test if the login account is being rendered in Firebase console. Let's now try the app to see and test if the registered account will be rendered in Firebase console. So let's try to log out. No. Let's open the app. So first, let's create an account. So let's try to jerwin d@gmail.com, and for the password, let's try jerwin dulgime. Let's add a number. So let's register it. So it's already registered. It's now saved for faster login. So let's try to log in. So let's click. So let's log in. So now it's already logged in. So let's proceed to the Firebase console to check if the registered account will be rendered in the user. Let's now check if it's rendered in the authentication in the Firebase console. So as you can see, let's proceed to users. So earlier we added jerwin@gmail.com. So as a result, it is successful that we integrate the Firebase authentication. So I hope you learn something from this video and apply something that you learn from this video. So thank you.